Are you ready to explore the incredible features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max that can change your lifestyle? In this journey, we'll dive deep into the world of fitness, well-being, and so much more. Imagine your iPhone as your personal fitness coach, sleep expert, and mental health companion, all at your fingertips. But that's not all. We'll also discover how your iPhone transforms into a nutritionist, a guardian of your medical records, and a lifesaver in emergencies. Plus, it even cares for your eye health and monitors your environment. And last but not least, we'll shed light on Apple's commitment to accessibility, making the iPhone 15 Pro Max an empowering tool for everyone. Ready to embark on this tech adventure? Let's get started. Number 1. Fitness and well-being. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of fitness and well-being with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This remarkable device goes far beyond the confines of a conventional smartphone. It metamorphoses into your dedicated fitness companion. Within the palm of your hand, the Health app has undergone a revolution, offering an expansive, panoramic view of your daily activities. Gone are the days of fragmented data. Now you can effortlessly and comprehensively monitor your fitness journey, all while staying inherently motivated. Imagine this: an ever-present fitness coach residing in your pocket, thanks to ingenious features like the integrated pedometer and GPS tracking. It's as if your health goals have found a tireless ally, continually propelling you toward realizing your aspirations of peak health and fitness. Number 2. Sleep tracking. Our next destination on this exploration is a subject often overlooked but profoundly vital: the realm of quality sleep. Recognizing the paramount importance of restful slumber, the iPhone 15 Pro Max steps in as your sleep connoisseur. It transcends mere awareness. It bestows upon you advanced sleep tracking capabilities that delve deep into the intricacies of your sleep patterns. By genuinely comprehending your sleep, you gain the power to make highly informed adjustments, enhancing not just the duration but also the quality of your nocturnal repose. As we all know, improved sleep quality is the cornerstone of a healthier, happier, and more robust life. Number 3. Mental health. Amidst the hustle and bustle of our modern, fast-paced world, it's imperative to remember that mental health stands shoulder to shoulder with physical well-being. With the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple introduces an array of mindfulness features poised to be genuine game-changers. Picture this: you hold within your grasp the ability to access guided meditation sessions and breathing exercises directly from your device. These meticulously crafted tools empower you to effectively navigate the often tumultuous waters of stress and anxiety, allowing you to enhance your focus and bolster your mental well-being, all within the comforting confines of your palm. Number 8. Environment and allergen monitoring. Beyond personal health, the iPhone 15 Pro Max extends its embrace to encompass your environment. Equipped with environmental sensors, it provides you with the power to continuously monitor air quality, pollen levels, and UV exposure. This is invaluable for individuals dealing with allergies or respiratory conditions, as it empowers them to stay perpetually informed and take proactive measures to safeguard their health. Number 9. Accessibility. To conclude our journey, let's illuminate Apple's steadfast commitment to accessibility. The iPhone 15 Pro Max proudly carries forward this legacy, offering a multitude of accessibility features. From the reassuring guidance of VoiceOver, providing spoken descriptions of what's on your screen, to the versatile magnifier, transforming your device into a magnifying glass, and the vigilant sound recognition, alerting you to important sounds in your surroundings. These tools serve as powerful enablers, granting individuals with disabilities the means to harness the full potential of their iPhones effectively and independently. Apple's unwavering dedication to inclusivity ensures that the iPhone 15 Pro Max stands as a beacon of accessibility for all. As we conclude this incredible journey through the world of health and technology with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, remember that your device is not just a smartphone, it's your fitness coach, sleep expert, mental health companion, and so much more, all in the palm of your hand. From tracking your fitness goals to safeguarding your well-being, this device empowers you to live a healthier, more vibrant life. And let's not forget Apple's commitment to accessibility, making this innovation available to everyone. So, are you ready to unlock your iPhone's full potential and embark on a journey to a healthier, more connected you? Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to spread the word.